Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will see some DevOps interview questions and their answers for beginners as well as for experienced people. I'll give the link for that answer or PDF, so you can download it and you can try referring to it. So yeah, let's go.
Is like explain the DevOps maturity model. So DevOps maturity measure how well an organization automates, collaborates, and continuously delivers software. So basically, higher maturity means more automation, observability, and rapid releases. Then how do you design a CI/CD pipeline or for microservices? So use independent pipelines, automated testing, artifact versioning, containerization, deployment strategies like Blueprint or Canary, and centralized monitoring. Then what is infrastructure as code and why it is important? Explain a real incident you have handled in production, like describe root cause analysis, logs, metrics analysis. So you can, I've already made a video like how you can debug 400, 500 issue. You can explain that, or any image not uh, pulled correctly or crash loop back state. So blue green vessels canary deployment. So I'm thinking to make a detailed video on this so that it will be more clear to every one of you. Then how do you secure CI/CD pipelines? That by using secret managers and not hard coding any credential, by artifact signing, and then scannings and audit logs. Then describe end-to-end Kubernetes architecture. How do you troubleshoot a failing Kubernetes pod? Then how do you scale Kubernetes workload? Explain GitOps. So I have made video on Flux CD, uh, which is a part of GitOps tool, so that you can go through those videos and get more understanding on GitOps. Then how do you handle secret in DevOps using the AWS Secret Manager, HashiCorp Vault? What is distributed tracing? Like tracing requests across microservices using tools like uh, Jaeger or AWS X-Ray. How do you design logging and monitoring? How do you ensure high availability in cloud infrastructure, that how you are using is multi-AZ deployment, load balancers, auto scaling? What is Terraform state and why is it important? How do you structure Terraform code for larger environments? So, by using workspaces, modules, environment specific variables. Then, what is container orchestration? How do you optimize Docker images? Uh, so, this answer has been given. Explain service mesh. What is service mesh? But we will need a detailed video on service mesh, so that I'll plan. How do you handle zero downtime deployment? What is chaos engineering? Then what is SRE and how is it related to DevOps? How do you containerize legacy application? How do you secure Docker containers? Then what strategies do you use for cost optimization in cloud? Then how do you manage configuration drift? Um, this is a very commonly asked question in Terraform or any IAC tool. What is multi-cloud deployment? Then, how do you troubleshoot slow application performance? So, that we need some pointers are there, but yeah, these are not proper answers. You have to describe more. What is artifact management? How you are storing the version, build output, and repository tools like Nexus, Artifact, or ECR? How do you ensure disaster recovery? Then, what is an ingress controller? How do you implement auto scaling? Then, what is a sidecar pattern? How do you enforce compliance in DevOps? Then, what is a CAPE theorem? Okay. How do you test infrastructure code? Then, what is serverless DevOps? How do you secure Kubernetes cluster? What is the difference between load balancer type? So, they layer 4, LB handle TCP, UDP, layer 7 load balancer handle HTTP, HTTPS. How do you debug failed CI jobs? How do you manage multiple environments? What is distributed logging? How do you design a scalable infrastructure? This is also a question which can be asked if you're giving an architect level of interview. So these are the pointers, but you need to explain more, and you can impress interviewer by adding more by describing these pointers more briefly. What is a 12-factor app? A methodology for building scalable cloud native application focusing on config logs, build release separation, disposability. How do you ensure environment consistency? Then, what is horizontal versus vertical scaling? What is container networking? How do you set up alerting? Then, what is the role of DevOps engineer cloud in architecture? Explain your biggest DevOps project. So, yeah, these are some of the questions. Pointers are given, but yeah, we need to briefly explain these pointers because just giving these pointers as an answer will not help, but you can frame your answers more nicely using these pointers. I'll give the repo link in the description box. You can refer from there. And we'll try to add on more list or PDF so that we have a compilation of all DevOps interview question over here. So that's all.
So that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views on the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.